The last step of your essay is to complete the conclusion paragraph. Don't forget this. Students often leave conclusions off of papers, and it just makes your writing seem unfinished. So the last paragraph is your conclusion. And in order to write a conclusion, you need to follow the strategy that we covered earlier this year called XYZ. First, you want to explain your thesis again in a new and different way. But good news, you've already done this. This is the last box on your boxes and bullets. So in a lot of ways, you should probably have already written this. Then you need to take it a step further, and you need to do the why. Why should your audience care? What did you learn about this topic? What did this topic make you think about? And what should the reader be thinking? What should the reader be doing? What should the reader be feeling? Why does this matter? And then the last is to add one last zinger if you can. Now, you can't always come up with one, and that's okay, but you definitely shouldn't leave off the X and the Y. So let's look at our writing, and let's look at where we're at. Okay, so we have already used all the other pieces of the boxes and bullets, but we have not used what's in that last box. That's because what's in that last box belongs in our conclusion paragraph. This is the explanation of all of the evidence that comes before, and it's the restatement of our claim. So I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste this in to my document. Okay, this is going to be my explain my thesis statement. Now, I need to move a step further, and I need to tell the people that are reading, what am I thinking about? Why is this important? So I'm going to say, this book made me think. So I'm just coming up with some thoughts that I had about the book as I was reading, and what it made me think about, and maybe what the reader should be thinking or feeling. Okay. Oh, maybe I want to make sure I put that. I'm adding just a zinger here. So this would be my conclusion. Okay, I'm just going to highlight stuff so you can see what it is. Okay, so this was my explanation, my last box in my boxes and bullets restated. This was why it's important, or what it made me think about, or why I need to think about the topic. And then this last sentence would be my zinger. Okay, so there it is. The airplane is broken and disfigured, just like the students have some sort of physical or internal problem. People don't think the plane or these children have anything to offer the world. They were wrong. The book made me think about how we view people with disabilities. It made me think about the old saying, you can't judge a book by its cover. So I want you to follow the XYZ protocol. Use what's in your last box. It should be the only thing remaining in your boxes and bullets. And then add on that why. Why is this book important? Why is this topic important? What did it make you think about, feel, or want to do?